Hey everyone, Aaron Parry here. Now that Chris has introduced us to Power BI Desktop, it's time to officially kick off our AdventureWorks project. And to do this, we're going to work through the first phase of the business intelligence workflow, where we'll connect, shape, and transform our source data using Power Query. Let's dig in. Alright, so we're off to a great start so far. Chris has walked us through downloading and installing Power BI, getting settings configured, and a high-level overview of the Power BI workflow. So now it's time to actually load our data. So in this section, we're going to learn how to connect to our source files, shape and transform our tables, and use the query editing tools to modify, merge, and append our data to prepare it for analysis. And we'll learn this by exploring the different types of data connectors in the Power BI interface. We'll dig into connection modes. We'll talk about the data QA and profiling tools. We'll take a look at different types of common table transformations, how to create calendars, and much, much more. And by the end of this section, you should be pretty well equipped to import, explore, combine, and edit data, and really be comfortable using some of the most common and valuable data transformation tools and techniques. So one quick thing to highlight here. Please make sure to follow along carefully with each step in this section and don't skip over any of the assignments. The data that we import and clean throughout this section will be added into our data model and eventually be used to build our client-facing reports and dashboards. All right, so with that, let's get started.